this equal to of k. So find out the k value. What is the k value? First, we can write this is the k. So we can write the log a to the power k is equal to log a to the power k is equal to, we can write the log a, and this is equal to the k. So log a, this is you can write, and log a square x, this is, and we know the log a base b x, we know the x is here, so log a b, and so this is the log base a, and this is a, and this is the same x, so this is total is here. So we can write the log square x, this, and this is the, and this part we can write the log with this a, and we know that base and this is same, so this value is the 1, this value is the 1, so we can write the log square x, and this is the 1 is multiplied. And now again we know the log a base b, and this is the is equal to the 1 by log b by a, b base a, and this is, so there we can write the log, so 1 by, this is the log x, this is, and this base is above, you can write. And now similarly this is the base, this is the a square, and this is the, similarly this is the part is here same, so we can write the, this is the 2, and this is the log x a, this is we can write. And now again this term is similar, so this is half, and this term is above here, so this term we can write the log, this is above here, so this is the a is base, similarly, so this is the a is base, and this is x. And now again this is the part, this is the similar here, so this part is gone, is similarly the opposite, so this is the log a, and this part is gone is here, so x to the power half. And now this is equal to this, and so there is the log a, and there is the log a, so k is equal to, so we can write the k is equal to x to the power. So we can find out the k value is this.